Welcome to the jewel of the Adriatic, Dubrovnik, where history, beauty, and culture converge in an enchanting harmony. Join us on an unforgettable journey through Dubrovnik's iconic landmarks, rich heritage, and the unique experiences that make it a traveler's paradise. Our adventure begins atop the majestic Dubrovnik city walls, offering panoramic views of the orange-tiled rooftops. Stroll down the lively Stradone, the city's main thoroughfare, and get lost in the charming streets of Old Town. Step back in time as you explore Dubrovnik's historic fortresses, like the mighty Dubrovnik and the elegant Bokar. These stone giants whisper tales of centuries gone by. Indulge your senses with the flavors of Dubrovnik's cuisine, from mouth-watering seafood to delectable local delicacies. Dubrovnik's food culture is a delightful journey for food enthusiasts. Immerse yourself in Dubrovnik's rich cultural tapestry, with world-class museums, art galleries, and vibrant festivals that celebrate music, dance, and local traditions. Escape to Dubrovnik's natural wonders, with pristine beaches and nearby islands that offer tranquility and breathtaking landscapes. As the sun sets over the Adriatic, Dubrovnik transforms into a romantic dreamscape, with the ancient city walls basking in a golden glow. Whether you're a history buff, a culture aficionado, a food lover, or just a traveler seeking beauty, Dubrovnik has it all. Hit that like button, share the magic with fellow travelers, and subscribe for more captivating travel content.